Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the quick switch menu on the DJI Osmo 360. To use the quick switch menu, simply short press the power button, and with each press it will switch through the many quick switch options. If the option you want to have isn't visible here, you can tap on those three dots and change the settings by, for example, enabling panoramic photo, disabling the things you don't want, for example, selfie mode, time-lapse, hyperlapse. You can also just look for different options. Now, if this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.